Hello, in this video we are going to see how to integrate FFAIR with Event Engine. Now let me log into FFAIR dashboard, go to settings, scroll down to find API and SSO. Click on the edit icon here. This will give the API related credentials like show ID, API key, all these stuff. Copy each one and paste that in the relevant field we have provided in the event engine. So show ID, I copied and pasted the show ID. I'm going to copy the API key, put it in the relevant field, copy the password, put it in the password field, shared key, copy and put it in the shared key. Now I can just click on save settings. That's it. Now we have option to sync the exhibitors, or I can clear all the settings if in case I have copied the wrong FFAIR credentials. I can just clear all the settings and do it from the beginning. Now, if I go to the website, front-end website, you can see there are no exhibitors found. Now, if I go and start syncing the exhibitors, all the exhibitors I have in my FFAIR account should be synced to the event engine. You can see I have 17 exhibitors here. If I click on sync exhibitors, it will take some time to get the authentication token to fetch the exhibitors, put the data into the event engine database. So you need to wait for a few minutes. That's it. Now the sync is complete. Now if I go to the website and reload the page, you can see I have all the exhibitors I have in my account is showing here. If I just click on any of those exhibitors, you can see the exhibitor title, logo, and the description or the profile information they have given, the website, contact email, where the location of their stand and the stand number, the industry they represent, everything is given here. Now you can go to the backend of Event Engine, and when you click on any of these exhibitors, which is synced from FFAIR to Event Engine website, you can see the information that has been synced, not only the stand number, email, website, but also all the custom fields which has been created in FFAIR is synced to here.